Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jackie's Kitchen. If you're new here, karibuni sana. So today guys, I want to show you how to make mango juice pretty fast. As you can see, I've already sliced my mango, that is after peeling it. And now into a blender jug, I'm going to be adding our mango pieces. And please, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to become part of a big family, guys. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always being there for me. So as you can see guys, I'm done putting my mango pieces in the blender jug. I'm now going to be adding like a glass of water. And of course the next step is going to be blending, guys. And we are done guys, our mango juice is ready. Thank you for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't so far. And I love you guys.